Started? Okay, so this is option 3 of the sun salutation for Nancy, but other people can use it too. Okay? So you're starting hands to heart, and then you're inhaling, sky reaching pose. End of the inhale, exhale, hands to feet pose. At the end of the exhale, you step your left foot back first. Inhale to equestrian pose. Press your hands, stabilize your hands and feet, step back, downward dog. Exhale, downward dog. You lower your knees and you keep your elbows in tight. Your chest and chin are gonna hover through 8 limbs. So I'm lowering down to 8 limbs. I'm using my toes to push myself forward, and you could stay low cobra, inhale, or I change my feet, and come up to upward dog. And then I adjust my feet. So if your back hurts, so I can drop my knees and curl my toes under and just shift myself back so my lower back doesn't hurt, and then go to downward dog. Or if your lower back doesn't hurt, then you can go here and adjust your toes and just lift up and push back into downward dog. And then from there, you're lifting this left leg up to the sky. I hope I'm still on frame here. Left leg up, and I'm shifting my weight forward and touching my left knee to my right elbow. And I'm shifting back to 3-legged dog. And left knee touches left elbow. I'm gonna repeat that. And if you want more core work, you can hang out in that pose 2 or 3, a few more breaths. Coming back up to 3-legged dog. Left knee to left elbow. And then extending leg all the way up. And then you bend your knee, and then I'm really planting the standing heel. I'm planting my arms, and I'm letting my twist and get the hip open. And you can really feel this in my hip here. So hang out a few breaths there. And then from there, I'm gonna aim my toe down to the floor and come up and open up like you're going into upward bow, but you're not going to. And here, if you can hold yourself up, add a couple of back strokes and forward strokes. So you come back to the forward stroke, rotate your body, readjust, come back up to 3-legged, swing your leg through to equestrian. There's your inhale. Exhale, hands to feet pose. Inhale, sky reaching. And exhale, hands to heart. And then you do the other side. Do you want the other side too?
No, that's good. I got it.
Thank you. Thank you. Good job.
Yeah.